How to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So what you want to do first, you want to make sure you are on the home page by clicking this home button at the left of your screen. And then you want to choose your profile by clicking this at the right top of your screen. And then you want to go to settings. And on billing plans, you want to click on it. And as you can see, my Canva Pro was already failed payment as my free trial was ended. So what you want to do, you want to click these three dots and then choose cancel plan and choose cancel subscription. And there you go. You can submit your feedback or skip it by clicking this X button. And there you go. Your Canva Pro plan has already been cancelled. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.